Hola Mundo!
Hola Mundo!
We are Nina
and Marcus.
We discovered the world together since more or less 19
20
years. We stopped counting.
In 2008 and 2009, we traveled around the southern hemisphere and did some pretty crazy things.
We traveled on a rooftop of a train in Ecuador for a whole day.
We explored Australia off-road.
We climbed Huayna Potosí, a mountain of 6,000 meters of altitude in Bolivia.
We made an expedition through Namibia with a Volksy.
We hiked through Patagonia and mainly slept in our tent.
We climbed Cotopaxi in Ecuador in a snowstorm.
We traveled by train through Tanzania.
And Nina flew a plane in Zambia. Special guest on board was the Minister of Internal Affairs.
In the following years, we came back to Switzerland, started our own business in renewable energy, and didn't stop traveling, of course. We spent 3 months in Southeast Asia, we traveled to India many times, and we also met our spiritual master, Paramahamsa Vishwananda, who is now the center in our life. If you want to see some pictures or read about our adventures during our travels, check out our website.
Since some years, we happily live in one of the most beautiful regions in the world, at Lake Thun in Switzerland.
We love being outdoors, climbing mountains, enjoying nature. And did I forget anything?
No.
Yes, we are vegans. And every day we dedicate some time to our spiritual practice, doing yoga and meditation. And why did we start vlogging? During the lockdown, we really found our joy in filming and
flying
the drone. And so the vlog for us is just for fun, to give you an idea where we live, where we travel, what we do here.
And show you some nice places.
Yeah, and especially show you how beautiful the world is beside all the problems we have in the world. So subscribe to our channel if you want to follow us. Write something in the comments and give us a like. See you in our vlogs. Hola Mundo!
Hola Mundo!